Google. And they stated that my net worth is $500,000. Hey, listen here. The apartments cost $2 million, nigga. That car cost $500,000, nigga. That Hill Academy vet, nigga, I paid $100,000 a piece for them bitches. I was the first nigga in the city with them motherfuckers. So you need to go on and tell Google, stop lying on me. This shit everywhere, nigga. Hot shit, pop shit, found. Go! Penthouse. Hello. You don't get no topper. You don't get no higher. Got Jovan with me. Yeah. Penthouse. We got a couple of these bitches. Yeah. This just one room. PH stand for penthouse number 1, nigga. Here goes penthouse. I'm gonna take you out of penthouse number 2 next. Well, look at my salon. Art shit, pop shit. Got my art with me. Here goes another penthouse room. So we buying flows on the art.
Yeah, man, that what we doing. Found going away a little bit of BI.
Talking about, nigga. Ooh. This ain't my room. I got the other penthouse. You unloading in the wrong place, young blood.
Hey man, Fangoon shit, bitch.
I said,